How to use AutoDS with Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can use AutoDS with Shopify. So having said that, let's jump into the video. So first things first, what you want to do is you want to come over here onto AutoDS and you want to go ahead and sign up. It's actually pretty simple. They do give you a 14-day free trial for $1, so keep that in mind. You can cancel it at any time. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and sign up, and we're going to go ahead and show you how you can use it. And once you've signed up, it's going to take you over here onto the dashboard, and here is what it looks like. All right, so I'm going to show you how you can use it. I'm just simply going to skip all of this right here, and there we go. All right, so this is the dashboard right here, and here you can see all of the product categories that we have over here. These are some of the bestseller products that are available right now. And over here on the left hand side, you will see you have marketplaces, hand pickers, ad spy, trending products, print on demand, dashboard, and everything, right? So this was the marketplace that we were on. This is the dashboard right here. We need to go ahead and firstly connect it with Shopify. So I'm going to go ahead and log into Shopify as well. And here we go. All right, so we're good to go. Now what we want to do is we want to connect our AutoDS with our Shopify store. So come over here onto the left hand side. At the top, you will see connected to store. Click on add store and click on add store over here. Select Shopify, click on continue, and now over here you can see I have a Shopify store connected with AutoDS. Click on that one. If you don't have one, you can create one yourself. So I'm going to select the first one, click on continue. Then it's going to take you over here, and all you got to do is click on install and install the plugin. You can even go ahead and install it from your Shopify stores or dashboard, but we're just simply going to go ahead and install it from here. And now we are good to go. Then it's going to go ahead and open up the AutoDS application right here. I'm going to pin it as well on the left hand side, and it's going to operate from here as well. It's going to open up or take us back to the platform, and we are good to go. So now you can see over here at the top, you have your store. Your store is now connected, and you can go ahead and import products from AutoDS into Shopify. As you can see right here, integration has been successful. So we are good to go. So how do we transfer products, or how do we get products from AutoDS and add it to our store? Well, it's pretty simple. If you come over here down below, you can see we have some best sellers, right? We can see all the categories. We are already in the marketplace. So here you can see we have a bunch of different products, and if you hover over them, you can see we have the import data button, right? We can import those products directly over here. We can even search them over here. There are other options as well, which we'll get into in a sec. So if we click on add a product, we have add single products, multiple products, hand picker, and everything. If you click on add single product, all we got to do is add the supplier URL or product ID by, right? And we can use the supplier over here. We can select from AliExpress, the Home Depot, Sam's Club, CJ, Costco, Etsy, Alibaba, Shein, Macy's, or Macy's, or TikTok, whatever, right? We add them from here, and we can select the China, and then it'll find us the exact same product. So let me just open up AliExpress over here, and we should be good to go. So all right, let's say this microphone, right? This wireless microphone. Here we go. All right, so let's say I want some wireless microphones. I'll open it up over here, copy the link, come back to AutoDS, paste it, select AliExpress, yep, and click on edit now. It'll open up the product right here. There, as you can see, it's as simple as that, right? Pretty simple. If I wanted to find the microphone from here, I can go ahead and add it and search for it here. So microphone, wireless microphone, and here we go. Now here we can see some other options as well. So if I wanted to import one of these, all I would have to do is just simply hover my mouse over them and click on the import in drafts, and it's going to be imported. Then I'm going to come over here onto the left hand side, and here at the bottom, bottom, you'll see it's called drafts. Here you will see all the products that you've drafted. Here you can go ahead and edit them, edit the name, the pricings, and the variants and everything. So if I wanted to edit this one, I would have to click on it like so, and here it'll open up the entire information panel, and here I can go ahead and change it. So Joki K9 Lavalier wireless microphone, so that's the name. Get rid of everything else. I'll even get rid of this one as well. There you go. That's the name. Enter the collection. If you have some collection, it'll automatically detect all the collections that you have in your Shopify store, and it'll give you like the drop down option to add it to. You've got tags, brands. I'll add the brand name over here, and after that you can click on stock monitoring and price monitoring as well. Then over here you have the tabs where you can switch between product page, variants, images, and item specifications. Here you can see this is the product page, editing it out, seeing how it looks like, everything looks good. The variants are going to be over here, images are here, and you can even select which images to keep, which images not to keep. Then we have item specifications that you can go ahead and, edit them out. And once that's done, you can go ahead and click on save and import. And once it's imported, it'll give you this button right here that it has started, and boom, it's now imported. Then you can come back into your Shopify store, go into products, and you will find the page right here. Let me actually reload it. And here you go. You can see right here, the name is still not good. I wonder why that didn't change. Let me go ahead and see. Click on products. Yeah, over here. Okay, so maybe the name did not change, which is weird. But you can also come over here into the product section and change it over here. So I'll get rid of the other one. I thought I did, but maybe I didn't save it or something happened, but I don't know. But yeah, let me try again with the other one, and hopefully this time it'll work. So go back into drafts. Here it is. Open them up. Yeah, there we go. Optimize the title with AI. You also have that option as well. So if you click on optimize with AI, you can choose the sound, the description, and everything. But I think this looks good. At first, I'm going to save it. There we go. Now I'm going to import it, and import has started. Give it a couple of seconds and it should be imported. Boom, it's now imported. Come back over here, reload it. All right, now it's imported perfectly with the changed name as well, which is nice. So this is how you can go ahead and import products using AutoDS. Now on the left hand side, as I said before, you have other options as well. So this is the dashboard. Here you will be able to see all of your profits, orders, total revenues, and how much money you've made on. And there's are some other options as well. For example, there were some other options, but I think they're gone as of right now. So we also have the option to print on demand. So if you wanted to start a print on demand production line, you can go ahead and do it by clicking on that button over here. You can see the pricing of each of these different t-shirts. Each of these different products are going to be different. Now let's go back to marketplace. There are other options as well, like ad spy. These are add-ons. What this will do is this will allow you to spy, or basically keep an eye on other ads that are doing really well, and you can go ahead and try to mimic what they're doing and hopefully produce same results. So it's pretty cool. You can go ahead and add it to your plan. It's an add-on. As I said before, it's $15, but I don't know if it'll worth it, so depends on you. There's also the trending product section where you can go ahead and see all the trending products that people are using. There's also the hand-picked products as well, where you will see all the most popular products that have the highest end returns. So like this one right here, this is a LED warning light fake solar power alarm system. So it's a solar powered alarm system for your cars, so you can go ahead and import them over here. It also has LEDs as well, which is pretty cool. But yeah, it's pretty simple to use, pretty easy. You just simply come over here onto AutoDS, create an account, buy the plan, connect your Shopify store, and then you can go ahead and import your products. And it's as simple as that. So that's it for this video. That's how you use it. That's how you connect AutoDS with Shopify. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And I will catch you guys in the next video.